Fire escape engineers inspect the summary video. Here we are in Lawrenceville. And we have a fire escape here, all welded, spiral to the ground. So this fire escape has a few minor issues, and a lot of them is maintenance, getting a lot of rust inside this, cleaned out. A couple of minor issues when it comes to certain connections that I see a little bit of visible rust inside, but otherwise she's a candidate for a load test. And what that means is that the fire escape will have to have thousands of pounds put up here, and then thousands of pounds basically all the way down. And that's because it's an all welded fire escape that needs to be either x-rayed, load tested, laterally load tested. So a lot of times when you have a lot of welded connections, if we can flip it over to bolts, we don't have to verify these welds. So up here is a candidate to get flipped over to a certification versus a load test. All these treads, we'd have to find a process that we can verify all these welds. Everything is welded, so we have to just sort of create some sort of bolting system to basically verify that the fire escape is to avoid the load test. This weld is great looking, but as soon as I put a bolt through it, a bolt through here and a bolt through there, I don't have to load test it. I need to verify these through bolts on the inside, and that way I don't have to load test it, because you can verify. Otherwise, because you have an all welded connection, you have to load test. Get some railings that are too open. I would recommend putting in a few more lines in this to avoid anybody falling down and rolling through, falling down and jamming themselves inside some of these. But if the historical nature of the building prevents us from adding any more things to this, then that has to be discussed. But otherwise, this is a candidate where the fire escape is in very good order, has paint. But again, whenever we start getting into welded connection issues, and we have to make sure those things get sealed, tied to the building. But this is an all welded fire escape that the code is very clear. They want you to provide a load test verifying that it's in good order, and you got to do that every 5 years. Or, and again, not many fire escapes are welded fire escapes. Or you can at this time start mechanically transferring a lot of these welds over to mechanical connections, and thereby you offer other evidence of strength and avoid the load test. But this fire escape might be one where it's just, you know, you load test the platform, load test all these stairs coming down, and then you do that every 5 years. Any questions, fire escape engineers? Inspect this summary video. This is Inspector Meneses, 866-649-0333.